In recent years, we've seen a significant increase in the influence of the software as a service model, SaaS, for the energy and buildings markets. We've seen at Omdia the increase in the use and need for predictive maintenance, for AI-driven decision-making capability, and then for software platforms that are really impacting these industries as we're seeing more and more technology being utilized. Ivy, how do we capture such a complex market in such a complex time with our large clients really leaning on Omdia to provide that throughput of information and intelligence as the new world takes order and shape, especially with regards to our buildings industries?
That's a fair question. Traditionally, the building technologies were installed as a very siloed system. They are quite customized, they are hardware intensive, and very hard to scale. But today, the leading companies are really moving to a cloud native, a SaaS-based platforms. So instead of buying bulk systems, customers now can use the modular software bundles such as energy, such as lighting, air qualities, and so on. It allows a subscription-based, continually upgraded versions and the solutions that scaled with the need. So according to the Omdia's research, we see the smart buildings SaaS adoption will over 50% in the new build facilities by the year 2025, which allows us to indicate that the market has a solid foundation and also has the huge growth potential in the future.
Thanks, Ivy. We can definitely see in the buildings domain, it's rather complex. Stephanie, what do you make of all of this in our energy domain?
So from energy perspective, so energy as a service is a business model where customers pay for the service, but at the same time, they do not have to own or maintaining the infrastructure by themselves. The service providers, they will offer a complete energy solution to ensure the system work very well for the customers. And they also can leverage advanced analytics and will get data from IoT sensors and run that through the AI so they can monitor the energy consumption, identify if there's anything like inefficient in the system, so that to optimize the system performance in the real time.
That's good news. It's as complex in energy as it is in buildings, but we're definitely seeing that increase in the SaaS model being utilized within these industries. And I think that's a significant benefit to what's coming in the future. All of the above conversation we've had is available at our Omdia Energy and Smart Infrastructure Services. Thank you everyone for joining.